Welcome to the Life Tube, where you can learn the secrets of makeup pros and pick up some of the tips and tricks that insiders use. Tired of doing the same look and the same makeup every day? Well, we've got just the thing to break your routine. Get ready to catch only glances as you walk down the street, looking gorgeous with a unique but simple look. Let's get right to it. Step 1. Always wipe your face with tonic before applying any makeup. Skincare is important. Never overlook this step. Step 2. Apply a cosmetics base. Pro tip. Use some eye drops to clear your eyes from any redness. Step 3. Apply some balm to your lips. Let it soak in for better looking smile. Step 4. Concealer. Pick a color that matches your skin tone. Apply it to your face and shade with a brush. Tip. Conceal those nasty pimples with a light green concealer. Step 5. Apply face tint and shade it evenly across your face. Use a beauty blender for a better shading. Step 6. Take highlighter and apply it to your top eyelids. Shade gently with an eyeshadow brush. Smile! Step 7. Contouring. Apply bronzer. Draw lines on your cheekbones, forehead, and jawline. Shade them with the beauty blender. Step 8. Take concealer again. Apply it as seen in the video, and shade with the beauty blender. Step 9. Apply some dry powder to the face to fix the face tone you've just made. This will also add a silky smooth matte look to your skin. Step 10. Apply some highlighter to your eyelids and cheeks. Shine bright like a diamond. Step 11. Apply a little bit of blush or rouge to your cheeks. Shade it carefully with a bevel brush. Step 12. Comb your eyebrows with the eyebrow brush. Then apply brow shadows. Remember that it should always match your hair roots color. Step 13. Here, let's get a little creative. Take a gold or orange tinted eyeshadow and apply it under the brows. Expert explains. Usually, the darker tone is applied on the top eyelid and the lighter tone on the bottom eyelid. But here, we do it the other way around. Step 14. Apply highlighter to the top eyelids and shade it with an eyeshadow brush. Step 15. Add some pink eyeshadow on top eyelids, closer to the nose. Step 16. Finalize the top eyelids makeup with adding just a little blush, also pink. Shade it carefully with a bevel brush. Step 17. Take dark orange, light brown eyeshadows. Draw a line on the bottom eyelids using eyeshadow brush. Step 18. Take an eye pencil and draw an outline on the inner side of the bottom eyelids. Step 19. Take a curling mascara and apply them to your eyelashes with curling movements of your mascara brush. Pro tip. Always move the brush from the eye to the tips of eyelashes. Step 20. Take a lip brush and apply lipstick. Don't make it excessively bright and try to pick a tone that matches your lower eyelids. Step 21. After applying lipstick, take some shadows and shade it above the lipstick. Pick a matching tone and shade it with a bevel brush. This will give your lips a bold matte look as well, which is what we want. And we're done. Enjoy your stunning look. Remember to like and share this video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks that professionals use.